Freecash supports multiple payout methods, including crypto, PayPal, and gift cards, while KashKick focuses more on surveys, games, and cashback-style offers. That changes how fast you get paid and what kind of work you're doing. By the end of this, you'll know which platform is better for speed, earning variety, and actual usability. Here's the quick answer. Freecash is better if you want more ways to earn and faster withdrawals. KashKick is better if you want simpler offers and don't care about crypto or gaming depth. Start with how they work. KashKick is straightforward. You sign up, complete surveys, try apps, and sometimes play games tied to offer walls. The layout is simple. The focus is mostly on task-based rewards. Freecash is built around variety. Surveys, game offers, app installs, product trials, and referral bonuses are all built into the same system. That makes it more flexible. That's the first big difference. If you like switching between different earning methods, Freecash gives you more options. If you just want surveys and basic offers, KashKick feels less cluttered. Now, let's talk payouts. KashKick mainly pays through PayPal, which keeps things simple. Freecash offers PayPal, crypto, gift cards, and other digital options. That flexibility matters if you want faster access or lower withdrawal restrictions depending on your country. The payout system changes strategy. On KashKick, most of your time goes into surveys and offer completion. On Freecash, higher-paying game offers can take longer, but often create bigger earning opportunities, because you can stack milestones. That's where Freecash usually wins. But there's a catch. Freecash has more competition for the best offers, because popular tasks disappear fast or change, based on region. KashKick is more stable because the system doesn't rely as heavily on rotating offer walls. That makes it easier for beginners. So which one is better? Use KashKick if you want simple surveys, basic app tasks, and easy PayPal cashouts. Use Freecash if you want more earning types, gaming offers, and more payout choices. Quick recap. Freecash wins for variety and flexibility. KashKick wins for simplicity and easier learning. Both depend heavily on your country and available offers. Practical next step: create accounts on both, spend 1 week tracking earnings by hour, and compare which one gives you the better return. If this helped you save time, hit like and subscribe for more app comparisons.